Hi friend, welcome to Market Analysis channel. On this chart, I will be analyzing Space ID. Our previous analysis was that Space ID is trading around its support zone. And let me go into this analysis in detail. I'll be starting from the resistance point. When Space ID hits the resistance point and it dropped back below it, it falls straight down to the support zone, which is at 0.4366. When it got to that price, it had one upward closing bar, but the volume was less, and since then it stopped the downward correction. The price range on the support zone for several sections. What this is telling us is that the buyers have stopped the downward trend, and now the price is ranging in a sideways market. Any movement from here, whichever direction the price break out to, will determine the next direction which Space ID will be heading. If you look at the chart on the left side, you will see such action. It has occurred earlier, as history is always repeating itself in the financial market. The prices was trading in range, and when you check the volume as well, the volume was so less. This volume were low to the extent that just one upward volume and upward closing bar from the buyers, an uptrend resume and the price rally. This is exactly what is playing here at the moment. You can see all the volumes from this particular bar. They are well below the average volume. That is telling us that sellers have no strength to push Space ID downward, and the volume has dried up on the downside. Just a little number of buyers will overwhelm the sellers, and the price of Space ID will bounce up from this support zone, and it will start heading towards its resistance zone upward. For that to happen, we will need an upward closing bar and a volume above average to finally confirm to us that the buyers have now gained control and they are in full force. When we have such bar, we will enter our trade and we will target the resistance zone which Space ID made earlier. And once the price now rise to the resistance zone, we will wait for it to break above the resistance zone. And if the price finally break above the resistance zone, our next focus will now be the target point which fetch Space ID made earlier. How do we calculate our target point? We calculated the first leg of its rally from support to resistance zone is about 139% increase, and that's what will be our projection from above this resistance zone. If it finally break through it, we will project 139% increase upward. Let me zoom out and we can see here. This is our 139% target price. That's 2.5000. So this is the analysis of Space ID. When you look at the chart, it's at the bottom near the support zone. This bar has stopped the downward pressure. Ever since then, several bars has been occurring and none has ever violated the low of this particular bar, which is telling us that the support is holding. And what is needed is just for the buyers to add more strength to it. When you look at the volume as well, they are well below the average volume. That's very fine. Just a little number of buyers will push the price up and the price will rally back to the resistance. And if it finally breaks the resistance, it will continue to head up, and the minimum place it will reach is this, our target point. If this analysis really help you, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, like the video and paste your question in the video comment section. Thanks for watching my analysis. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.